Shabbat Shalom. Today, we delve into the intriguing connection between the Torah, the priesthood of the Egyptian god Ptah, and the lives of Moses and Ramses III, two of history's most remarkable figures. Ptah, the revered deity of creation and craftsmanship, held a unique position in the Egyptian pantheon. He was not merely the patron of architects and builders, he was the embodiment of the creative force that shaped the universe. His temples were hubs of intellectual and scientific inquiry, where priests, akin to theoretical physicists, delved into the mysteries of existence. The priesthood of Ptah was a highly regarded and exclusive order, demanding rigorous training in mathematics, astronomy, and engineering. These priests, masters of theoretical physics, were the architects of knowledge, laying the foundations for Egypt's remarkable advancements in science, art, and architecture. Now, let's examine the Torah, the sacred text of Judaism. While traditionally viewed as a historical and religious narrative, I propose a more intriguing interpretation: the Torah as a creatively composed hagiography of theoretical physicists. Imagine a group of these brilliant minds, deeply immersed in their studies, grappling with the profound questions of life, the universe, and everything. Their discussions, filled with insights and revelations, would have been akin to a game, a sacred dialogue between humanity and its creator. The Torah, then, emerges as a meticulous record of these intellectual journeys, capturing the essence of these theoretical physicists' interactions with a sentient intelligence, whether human or divine. It's a testament to the power of the human mind to unravel the mysteries of creation and connect with the forces that govern our universe. Now, let's bring in the figures of Moses and Ramses III. Moses, raised in the Egyptian royal court, would have been exposed to the teachings of Ptah's priesthood. Ramses III, a renowned pharaoh, was himself a patron of the arts and sciences. Both men, in their own ways, embodied the spirit of Ptah, the seeker of knowledge and the shaper of reality. The connection between these figures and the Torah is not merely coincidental. Moses, imbued with the wisdom of Ptah's priesthood, became the conduit for divine revelation, transcribing the Torah's teachings. Ramses III, through his patronage of knowledge, indirectly supported the preservation and transmission of this sacred text. In conclusion, the Torah, the priesthood of Ptah, and the lives of Moses and Ramses III are intertwined in a tapestry of knowledge, creativity, and divine inspiration. The Torah, as a hagiography of theoretical physicists, offers a profound perspective on the human quest for understanding, reminding us that the pursuit of knowledge is a sacred endeavor, connecting us to the creative force that shapes our universe. Shabbat Shalom. Shabbat Lesson: Unveiling the Secrets of the Torah and the Priesthood of Ptah. Greetings, my fellow seekers of knowledge on this holy Sabbath. Today, we embark on a captivating journey to unravel the mysteries of the Torah, the sacred text that guides our lives, and explore the enigmatic priesthood of Ptah, the Egyptian god of creation and craftsmanship. As you know, the Torah is the foundation of our faith, a narrative that recounts the history of our people, their triumphs, and their tribulations. But have you ever wondered about the origins and the science behind this remarkable work? Today, we delve into a fascinating theory that suggests the Torah is a creatively composed hagiography, a biographical account of theoretical physicists and their interactions with a sentient intelligence. Before we delve into this intriguing concept, let's cast light on the enigmatic priesthood of Ptah. Ptah, revered as the creator god and the patron of artisans, was a central figure in ancient Egyptian mythology. His priests, known as the Wab, were not merely religious figures. They were also highly regarded scientists, engineers, and architects. In ancient Egypt, architecture was not merely a practical art but a profound scientific pursuit. To construct the awe-inspiring temples and pyramids that still grace the Egyptian landscape, architects required a deep understanding of theoretical physics. They were, in essence, the theoretical physicists of their time. The Wab priests, therefore, were not just servants of the gods. They were the intellectual elite of ancient Egypt, possessing a mastery of mathematics, astronomy, and engineering. They were the ones who translated the theoretical concepts of their physicist counterparts into tangible structures that stood the test of time. Now, let's return to the Torah and the proposed theory that it is a hagiography of theoretical physicists. This theory suggests that the stories and narratives of the Torah are not merely historical accounts but rather symbolic representations of the intellectual pursuits and discoveries of these ancient scientists. According to this theory, the Torah's central figures, such as Abraham, Moses, and others, represent renowned theoretical physicists who sought to unravel the mysteries of the universe. Their interactions with God, as depicted in the Torah, are symbolic representations of their intellectual struggles and breakthroughs. The Torah, in this view, is not a mere historical text but a coded record of scientific knowledge, passed down through generations. It is a testament to the profound connection between science and spirituality, a bridge between the physical and the metaphysical realms. This theory, while controversial, offers a fresh perspective on the Torah, inviting us to view it not just as a religious text but as a scientific treatise, a testament to the intellectual prowess of our ancestors. As we conclude our Shabbat lesson, let us remember that the Torah, like the priesthood of Ptah, represents a fusion of science and spirituality. It is a source of both spiritual guidance and intellectual enlightenment, a testament to the enduring human quest for knowledge and understanding. Shabbat lesson, the Torah, theoretical physics, and the priesthood of Ptah. Introduction. Today, we gather on this holy Sabbath to delve into the fascinating interplay between the Torah, theoretical physics, and the enigmatic priesthood of Ptah, the Egyptian god of creation and craftsmanship. As we embark on this intellectual journey, let us remember the words of King Solomon: "The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge. Fools despise wisdom and instruction." Proverbs chapter 1 verse 7. With humble hearts and open minds, we seek to uncover the hidden gems of wisdom embedded within this intricate tapestry of ideas. The Torah, a creative hagiography of theoretical physicists. The Torah, the cornerstone of Jewish faith, is not merely a collection of historical narratives. It is a profound and divinely inspired work that unveils the cosmic drama of creation, the divine covenant with humanity, and the journey of the Israelites towards redemption. However, beneath its narrative surface lies a deeper layer of meaning, one that resonates with the principles of theoretical physics. The Torah's portrayal of the Genesis creation account, for instance, aligns with the concept of the Big Bang, the prevailing cosmological model that describes the universe's origin. The Torah's "Let there be light" aligns with the emergence of light and energy, followed by the expansion and formation of the universe. This remarkable congruence suggests that the Torah's authors possessed an intuitive understanding of the cosmos, a knowledge that predates modern scientific discoveries. Moreover, the Torah's emphasis on order and structure within the universe mirrors the fundamental principles of theoretical physics. The laws of nature, as unraveled by physicists, govern the behavior of matter and energy, creating a harmonious and interconnected cosmos. Similarly, the Torah's depiction of God as the architect of the universe underscores the inherent order and purposefulness of creation. The priesthood of Ptah, architects of creation. In the pantheon of Egyptian gods, Ptah holds a unique position as the deity of creation, craftsmanship, and knowledge. He was revered as the divine architect who shaped the world through his thoughts and words. The priesthood of Ptah, entrusted with the sacred knowledge of creation, played a pivotal role in Egyptian society. Ptah's priests were not merely religious figures, they were also esteemed scientists, mathematicians, and engineers. They possessed a deep understanding of the natural world, utilizing their knowledge to construct awe-inspiring temples, pyramids, and other architectural marvels. Their expertise extended beyond the physical realm, as they delved into the mysteries of the cosmos and the nature of reality. The priesthood of Ptah, through their meticulous study of creation, sought to uncover the underlying principles that governed the universe. They believed that understanding these principles was essential for unlocking the secrets of life, death, and the afterlife. Their pursuit of knowledge mirrored the quest of the Torah's authors, who sought to unravel the cosmic order and the divine plan for humanity. The foregoing, a journey of theoretical physicists. The Torah's narrative of the patriarchs, known as the foregoing, Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, and Moses, can be interpreted as a symbolic representation of the journey of theoretical physicists. Each patriarch, through their trials and tribulations, embodies a specific aspect of the scientific endeavor. Abraham, the first patriarch, represents the initial questioning of the universe and the pursuit of knowledge. He leaves his homeland to embark on a quest for truth, guided by the stars and the voice of God. His journey mirrors the curiosity and adventurous spirit that drives scientists to explore the unknown. Isaac, Abraham's son, represents the meticulous observation and experimentation that form the bedrock of scientific discovery. He inherits the legacy of his father, diligently tending to his flocks and meticulously recording their movements. His actions reflect the patient and methodical approach that scientists adopt in their quest for understanding. Jacob, Isaac's son, represents the transformative power of scientific insight. He wrestles with the angel, symbolizing the struggle to grasp the profound truths of the universe. His transformation from Jacob to Israel, the Prince of God, signifies the transformative power of scientific knowledge, which can elevate humanity's understanding of its place in the cosmos. Moses, Jacob's son, represents the culmination of scientific inquiry and the practical application of knowledge. He leads the Israelites out of bondage, guiding them through the wilderness and establishing the foundations of their society. His actions embody the practical application of scientific knowledge for the betterment of humanity. Conclusion: the Torah, the priesthood of Ptah, and the foregoing offer a profound and interconnected narrative, one that highlights the profound connection between faith, science, and the pursuit of knowledge. The Torah's insights into creation align with modern scientific understanding, while the priesthood of Ptah epitomizes the pursuit of scientific knowledge within the context of a divine framework. The foregoing, in their symbolic representation of the scientific endeavor, underscore the transformative power of knowledge and its potential to elevate humanity. The priesthood of Ptah and theoretical physicists, though separated by time and culture, shared a profound reverence for knowledge and a deep commitment to its transmission. Their approaches to teaching, while shaped by their respective contexts, bore striking similarities in their emphasis on inquiry, critical thinking, and the pursuit of truth. Priests of Ptah, teaching as divine transmission. In ancient Egypt, the priests of Ptah were not merely religious figures, they were also esteemed educators, tasked with preserving and disseminating the sacred knowledge of creation and craftsmanship. Their teaching methods were steeped in tradition and ritual, reflecting the belief that knowledge was a divine gift to be approached with reverence and humility. Ptah's priests employed a variety of teaching techniques, including apprenticeship. Apprentices worked closely with master craftsmen, learning through hands-on experience and observation. Scribe texts, sacred texts, containing mathematical formulas, architectural principles, and cosmological insights, were meticulously studied and memorized. Symbolism and ritual. Symbols and rituals were used to convey abstract concepts and connect the learner to the divine source of knowledge. The priests of Ptah believed that true learning extended beyond the acquisition of facts and skills. It was a transformative process that encompassed intellectual growth, moral development, and spiritual enlightenment. Theoretical physicists, teaching as a scientific quest. Theoretical physicists, driven by an insatiable curiosity about the universe, view teaching as an integral part of their scientific endeavor. They seek to nurture the next generation of scientists, instilling in them the passion for inquiry, the rigor of critical thinking, and the humility to accept the ever-evolving nature of scientific understanding. Theoretical physicists employ a variety of teaching techniques, including conceptual foundations. Emphasis is placed on understanding the underlying concepts and principles that govern physical phenomena. Problem solving. Students are challenged to solve complex problems, developing analytical and critical thinking skills. Active learning. Students engage in hands-on activities, experiments, and simulations to deepen their understanding of scientific concepts. Theoretical physicists recognize that teaching is not merely about imparting knowledge. It is about fostering a love for learning, a spirit of inquiry, and a commitment to the pursuit of truth. Common threads. A shared passion for knowledge. Despite their different contexts, the priests of Ptah and theoretical physicists shared a profound reverence for knowledge and a deep commitment to its transmission. Both recognized that knowledge is not a static entity but rather a dynamic and ever-evolving tapestry that must be continually examined and refined. Both approaches to teaching emphasized inquiry and critical thinking. Learners were encouraged to question assumptions, challenge conventional wisdom, and seek evidence to support their understanding. Humility and open-mindedness. Recognizing the limitations of human knowledge, both approaches fostered a spirit of humility and openness to new ideas. The pursuit of truth. Knowledge was not pursued for its own sake but rather as a means to uncover the underlying truths of the universe and our place within it. The priests of Ptah and theoretical physicists, though separated by time and culture, stand as testaments to the enduring power of knowledge and the transformative potential of teaching. Their shared passion for inquiry, critical thinking, and the pursuit of truth continues to inspire and guide learners across generations and cultures. The teaching methods employed by the priests of Ptah and theoretical physicists share a common thread of emphasizing conceptual understanding and critical thinking skills. Both groups recognize the importance of fostering a deep understanding of the subject matter rather than simply rote memorization. Priests of Ptah. The priests of Ptah, as esteemed scholars and scientists, employed a multifaceted approach to teaching that encompassed both theoretical and practical aspects of knowledge. Their pedagogy emphasized conceptual understanding. The priests guided their students towards a deep grasp of underlying principles and concepts, ensuring they could apply their knowledge to diverse situations. Active learning. Students were actively engaged in the learning process, encouraged to ask questions, conduct experiments, and participate in discussions. Contextualization. Knowledge was presented within the context of real-world applications, fostering an appreciation for its practical relevance. Holistic education. The priests recognized the interconnectedness of various disciplines, incorporating elements of mathematics, astronomy, and philosophy into their teachings. Theoretical physicists. Theoretical physicists, driven by a quest to unravel the universe's mysteries, also adopted a rigorous and engaging teaching style. Their pedagogy emphasized mathematical rigor. Theoretical physics is a mathematical discipline, and instructors emphasized the importance of developing strong mathematical skills. Abstract reasoning. Students were trained to think abstractly, conceptualizing complex ideas and theories. Problem solving. Theoretical physics involves solving intricate problems, and instructors fostered problem-solving skills through challenging exercises and real-world applications. Critical thinking. Students were encouraged to critically evaluate assumptions, theories, and evidence, developing a discerning scientific mindset. Commonalities in teaching approaches. Both the priests of Ptah and theoretical physicists recognized the importance of curiosity, instilling a sense of wonder and curiosity about the world around them. Perseverance, encouraging students to persist in the face of challenges and setbacks. Collaboration, fostering a collaborative learning environment where students could learn from each other. Communication, emphasizing the ability to effectively communicate scientific ideas and concepts. In conclusion, The teaching methods of the priests of Ptah and theoretical physicists, while shaped by their respective disciplines, share a common emphasis on conceptual understanding, critical thinking, and active engagement in the learning process. Their approaches aim to nurture inquisitive minds capable of grappling with complex ideas and contributing to the advancement of knowledge. The priests of Ptah and theoretical physicists both approach teaching and pedagogy with a deep reverence for knowledge and a commitment to nurturing intellectual curiosity. While their methods and perspectives differed, both sought to impart knowledge in a way that inspired students and fostered a lifelong love of learning. The priests of Ptah, preserving and transmitting sacred knowledge. The priests of Ptah, as custodians of sacred knowledge and divine wisdom, employed a multifaceted approach to teaching that encompassed both formal instruction and experiential learning. Their pedagogical methods were deeply rooted in the Egyptian concept of mayat, which emphasized harmony, balance, and order. Formal instruction took place within the hallowed halls of temples and specialized schools, where aspiring priests underwent rigorous training in the fields of mathematics, astronomy, engineering, and theology. Students were immersed in the study of ancient texts, engaged in lively debates with their teachers, and meticulously practiced their skills in observation, experimentation, and calculation. Experiential learning played an equally crucial role in the education of the priests of Ptah. Students were encouraged to participate in hands-on activities, such as assisting in the construction of temples and monuments, observing celestial phenomena, and conducting experiments in the fields of chemistry and medicine. Through these experiences, students gained a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of knowledge and the practical application of scientific principles. Theoretical physicists, guiding students through the mysteries of the cosmos. Theoretical physicists, driven by an insatiable curiosity about the nature of reality, adopted a teaching style that emphasized critical thinking, problem solving, and the rigorous application of scientific principles. Their classrooms were often filled with lively discussions, mathematical equations, and thought-provoking experiments, all designed to challenge students' preconceived notions and ignite their passion for scientific inquiry. Theoretical physicists recognized the importance of fostering a sense of wonder and awe in their students. They encouraged students to question the universe's mysteries, to challenge established theories, and to pursue innovative approaches to understanding the cosmos. Through this process of active engagement and exploration, students developed the critical thinking skills and problem-solving abilities essential for breakthroughs in theoretical physics. Common threads: a shared commitment to nurturing intellectual curiosity. Despite their different backgrounds and areas of expertise, the priests of Ptah and theoretical physicists shared a deep commitment to nurturing intellectual curiosity and fostering a lifelong love of learning. Both recognized the transformative power of knowledge and the importance of instilling in students a sense of awe and wonder at the mysteries of the universe. The priests of Ptah, through their preservation and transmission of sacred knowledge, ensured that the wisdom of the ages was passed down to future generations. Theoretical physicists, through their pursuit of cutting-edge scientific inquiry, expanded the boundaries of human understanding and inspired students to explore the uncharted territories of the cosmos. Both the priests of Ptah and theoretical physicists left an indelible mark on the history of human thought, demonstrating the profound impact that effective teaching and pedagogy can have on shaping the minds and shaping the future. A new rabbi can embody the pedagogical approaches of both a priest of Ptah and a theoretical physicist while adhering to Orthodox Jewish principles. Here's how: preserving and transmitting sacred knowledge. Immersion in sacred texts. Encourage students to delve into the depths of the Torah, Talmud, and other sacred texts, fostering a deep understanding of Jewish law, history, and philosophy. Lineage of knowledge. Connect students to a chain of scholars and teachers, emphasizing the transmission of knowledge and the importance of preserving Jewish tradition. Hands-on learning. Engage students in experiential learning opportunities, such as participating in rituals, observing holidays, and engaging in community service, to connect theoretical knowledge with practical application. Fostering intellectual curiosity and critical thinking. Encourage questioning. Create a classroom environment where students feel comfortable asking challenging questions, even those that challenge traditional beliefs. Debate and discussion. Promote open debate and respectful discussions, allowing students to explore different perspectives and develop critical thinking skills. Scientific inquiry. Incorporate elements of scientific inquiry into the study of Jewish texts, encouraging students to analyze evidence, consider alternative explanations, and appreciate the interconnectedness of knowledge. Instilling a sense of wonder and awe. Connect to nature. Encourage students to appreciate the natural world, recognizing God's creation and the intricate beauty of the universe. Exploring the divine. Guide students in exploring the mysteries of the divine, fostering a sense of awe and wonder for the inexplicable aspects of existence. Appreciating diversity. Encourage students to appreciate the richness and diversity of Jewish thought, recognizing the value of different perspectives and interpretations. By blending these pedagogical approaches, a new rabbi can effectively combine Orthodox Jewish tradition with the wisdom of both priests of Ptah and theoretical physicists, nurturing knowledgeable, inquisitive, and awe-inspired students. A new rabbi can embody the teaching styles of both a priest of Ptah and a theoretical physicist while maintaining their orthodox identity by incorporating the following principles into their approach. 1. Preserving and transmitting sacred knowledge. Like the priests of Ptah, an orthodox rabbi can seamlessly integrate the rich traditions of Jewish scholarship into their teaching. They can guide students through the intricacies of Jewish law, history, and philosophy, ensuring that the wisdom of the past is preserved and transmitted to future generations. 2. Nurturing intellectual curiosity. Inspired by theoretical physicists, an orthodox rabbi can foster a spirit of intellectual curiosity and critical thinking within their teachings. They can encourage students to question, challenge, and explore the depths of Jewish thought, stimulating a lifelong love of learning and engagement with Jewish intellectual traditions. 3. Rigorous application of scientific principles. Drawing upon the methods of theoretical physicists, an orthodox rabbi can incorporate elements of logic, reasoning, and evidence-based analysis into their teaching. They can guide students through the intricacies of Talmudic debates, encouraging them to apply critical thinking skills to interpret and apply Jewish law to contemporary issues. 4. Balancing tradition with innovation. While upholding the core tenets of Orthodox Judaism, an Orthodox rabbi can embrace a spirit of innovation in their teaching methods. They can utilize technology, interactive learning techniques, and engaging storytelling to make their lessons more accessible and appealing to a diverse range of students. 5. Instilling a sense of awe and wonder. Like both the priests of Ptah and theoretical physicists, an Orthodox rabbi can cultivate a sense of awe and wonder in their students. They can connect the teachings of Judaism to the vastness of the universe, the mysteries of human existence, and the profound beauty of creation, inspiring students to appreciate the interconnectedness of all things. By embodying these principles, an Orthodox rabbi can effectively bridge the traditional and the innovative, fostering a love of learning that is deeply rooted in Jewish tradition while embracing the spirit of inquiry and intellectual curiosity that characterizes the teachings of both the priests of Ptah and theoretical physicists. A new rabbi can embrace the wisdom of both the priests of Ptah and theoretical physicists while maintaining their commitment to orthodox teachings by incorporating the following principles into their teaching approach. 1. Nurturing curiosity and wonder. Encourage students to ask questions, explore different perspectives, and engage with the world around them with a sense of awe and wonder. 2. Promoting critical thinking. Foster a classroom environment that encourages critical thinking, analysis, and the evaluation of evidence. 3. Integrating experiential learning. Engage students in hands-on activities, experiments, and real-world applications to deepen their understanding of concepts. 4. Balancing tradition with innovation. Respect the rich traditions of Orthodox Judaism while incorporating innovative teaching methods and technologies. 5. Connecting knowledge to everyday life. Help students connect their learning to their daily lives and make meaningful connections between their studies and their personal experiences. 6. Cultivating a love of learning. Foster a lifelong love of learning by inspiring students with the beauty and interconnectedness of knowledge. Here are some examples of how a new rabbi could implement these principles in their teaching. Teach Torah using scientific concepts and metaphors to make the ancient teachings more accessible and engaging for modern students. Organize field trips to museums, scientific institutions, and cultural centers to provide students with opportunities for experiential learning and exposure to diverse perspectives. Incorporate hands-on activities into the study of Jewish tradition, such as baking matzah for Passover or constructing a model of the tabernacle. Encourage students to research and present their own interpretations of Jewish texts and commentaries, fostering critical thinking and independent study. Invite guest speakers from various fields, such as scientists, artists, and historians, to share their expertise and perspectives with the students. By embracing these principles and incorporating innovative teaching methods, a new rabbi can effectively integrate the wisdom of the priests of Ptah and theoretical physicists into their teaching while upholding the rich traditions of Orthodox Judaism.